Squeeze the knees. Hard as you can, bud. Is that not crazy? So all we're gonna do is put fiber optic power into this nerve that actually makes your body squeeze the knees, okay? And that happens. How cool is that, E?
Awesome. I'm 100% strong enough. I can push him.
All right, live from the Nerve Health Institute, we've got Ethan here today. He is a high school athlete, baseball, football player, and we want to show you today kind of what happens to athletes. So in his case, if we take the baseball out of play, squeeze your knees tight. These are nerves. Remember, your brain and your spinal cord power. You have 88 nerves coming off your brain and your spinal cord that power up all the millimeter sections of every muscle, bone, skin, and organ. So in his case, we want to show you today kind of how when he first started, first and foremost, he could not do like something as simple as this. It was terrible. He was terribly weak. But now he's really strong. Hold your foot up. Hold your foot up. See, all these are nerves powering different muscles. Pull across. Okay, push up. All these are strong. Pull down. Knee up. He's got great strength here in all of these. And so pull down. We want to make sure, push up, pull across. These are all nerves or breakers in his breaker box that are feeding muscles down in his legs, just for instance, okay? So we want to make sure that when he grips a baseball, there are nerves that are going to power certain muscles, making you grip a baseball. When you grip a fastball, there's certain nerves that are going to power certain individual muscles. When you grip a curveball, it's going to be slightly different. There's going to be certain nerves or a different group of nerves that power different muscles to grip a curveball. So we want to make sure, especially if he's going to be a pitcher, that all these different grips, and when he turns nerves on here, that all these other nerves in the body stay on. We don't want to turn on some nerves here in the breaker box and all of a sudden something down here gets weak. That means when he go to pitch, if he threw a certain ball and gripped a certain curveball or slider or fastball, all of a sudden some other nerves will shut off. Okay, so here's an example. So go ahead and grip a fastball, Ethan. He's got a fastball grip. Squeeze your knees. Rock solid strong. Okay, just a little switch in the curveball. Okay. Squeeze the knees. Hard as you can, bud. Is that not crazy? Ethan, can you explain to people what you feel there?
It just, my legs, basically my groin just gives out. I can't push as hard as I can.
Grip a fastball. So people out there don't believe this. They see this and say, oh, he's pulling harder. He's not doing things right. He's trying to, do something different to trick people on camera, but that's not the case at all.
I feel way stronger, 100% strong when I'm gripping a fastball, and I can push as hard as I can. But curveball, it's just my legs just give out. I can't push.
Let's try again. So do a fastball. Squeeze again. Okay. All right. Do a curveball. Squeeze again. Okay. So what this means neurologically is he's going to be on the mound and he's going to grip a curveball. And as he grips a curveball, these giant muscles, the nerves that provide power to them, start to give out. So that means he's going to be less stable standing and less likely to throw a strike and more likely to injure something, whether it's downstairs or upstairs. So this is just simple neurology, if you think of it, but people just don't think of it this way. I can't tell you how many professional pitchers right now have this sort of stuff and have no idea. And they go to pitch and they think, oh, I'm just having an off day. Well, you're having nerves that are off day. And so from our perspective, watch how quick it is. So all we're gonna do is put fiber optic power into this nerve that actually makes your body squeeze the knees, okay? So grip your curveball and squeeze your knees tight. Squeeze your knees tight. And that happens. How cool is that, E?
Awesome. I'm 100% strong enough. I can push him. My legs don't give out or nothing.
This is not voodoo, it's not magic, it's not incense, it's science. Your brain needs light. Your nerves need light. If you're not getting light in certain areas, you need to have somebody like us find where you're weak, put light back in, and actually get your power back so that you can actually do things like throw a curveball. So it's that simple. So squeeze again, do your curveball. Now this is no light, okay? Squeeze tight. Pretty cool. So now I know that he's gonna leave here and grip a curveball, and he's gonna have a lot more neurological strength. And this is just one example of one nerve. We could literally comb through and go through all the nerves, but I wanna show you out there just how important it is to make sure that all your nerves are firing throughout all your daily activities and all the things that you wanna do. So stay tuned here for more results.